Welcome to the ultimate GK quiz on India. Let's begin. Which is the largest state in India by area? Rajasthan. What is the national bird of India? Peacock. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. In which year did India gain independence? 1947. Who wrote national anthem Jan Gan Man? Rabindranath Tagore. How many states are there in India? 28. Satyamev Jayate is taken from which scripture? Upanishad. How many houses are there in the Indian Parliament? 4. Where is the Supreme Court of India located? Delhi. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which is the longest river in India? Ganga. Which is the highest mountain in India? Kanchenjunga. What is the biggest festival in India? Diwali. Who built the Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. When was the Constitution of India implemented? 26 January 1950. What was the name of India's first satellite? Aryabhat. In which year was the Indian rupee symbol adopted? 2010. Which is the largest lake in India? Vambanad Lake. Which state has the highest population in India? Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian territory is surrounded by the sea? Andaman and Nicobar. Where was India's first nuclear test conducted? Pokhran. Who was the Rani of Jhansi in India's freedom struggle? Lakshmibai. When is Indian Army Day celebrated? 15th January. Which Indian state is called the Spice Garden of India? Day is celebrated in India? 26th January. What is the term for the Indian Parliament's lower house? Lok Sabha. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which city is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. What is the name of India's first moon mission? Chandrayaan-1. Which Indian river is known as the Holy River? Ganga. Thank you for watching.